Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to see who viewed my Twitter profile. Let's start by opening up Twitter. And then if you tap on your profile icon and then go into settings and privacy, you will realize that there's no way to know who has viewed your Twitter account. However, you could check your notifications to see who has followed you, and whoever followed you probably went to your Twitter profile to check you out. That's good place to see if someone has visited your Twitter profile, if they have followed you, or if they have replied to a tweet you have sent out. So unfortunately, when you go through Twitter, there's really no option to see who has visited your profile, primarily because that would be a security and privacy setting that Twitter provides for all the other users. So the only way that you can do is to go to your web browser and search for Twitter Analytics. This website will show you general analytics, who has visited your profile, such as individuals who has visited your profile, how many mention you have had, and also how many tweet impressions you have. And this is pretty neat information. It provides a sense of how your Twitter account is doing and whether it's thriving or flatlining. So that gives you a general overview of how things are progressing on your Twitter profile. And although you can't see who visited it, you can see the number of profile visitors and so on. This was a process by which you can see who viewed my Twitter profile. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.